Assalamualaikum. I'm back with Kuch Mazedaar si Batain once again. Amina's design quickly gained recognition. Now she's coming back with a more powerful upcoming event with the collaboration of Dash's Boutique, the modest fashion wave London. Clothes, they can collaborate with the fashion shows.
Definitely.
It's a big thing. And then it look more professional as well.
Yeah, definitely, because you will get all the professional pictures, you will get exposure, and mostly you will meet different people.
How did you meet Tash?
I know Tash from social media, it's from Instagram, and then I met her, I think last year at one of the events, and Alhamdulillah, it's just a quick connection.
Click.
Oh yeah, first click.
Okay, first word comes in your mind when you hear fashion.
Modest.
Dream celebrity you would love to see wear your design.
Also Amina Rashid.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Definitely, why not? So if we ask about your models, who's gonna be your models on the wrap?
That's a very tricky question. And I don't think so I'm gonna answer that. Now you guys gonna see our first modest fashion world London. And it's happening in 7th of September. You all are more welcome to come and see us.
Assalamualaikum. I'm back with Kuch Mazedaar si Batain once again. Today on the podcast, we are joined by Amina Rashid, a proud mother, designer, and a founder of Hawa Couture, originally from Bangladesh, but now based in West London. Amina began her fashion journey in 2011 from her living room, driven by a passion to create something meaningful while raising her young children. From humble beginning to her first fashion show in 2016, Amina's design quickly gained recognition. After a pause to focus on family and healing from the devastating loss of her father, she is back with a purpose and power. Now she's coming back with a more powerful upcoming event with the collaboration of Dash's Boutique, the modest fashion wave London, a celebration of modesty, beauty and empowerment, happening on Sunday, 7th of September at Hyde Park. Assalamualaikum, Amina. How are you?
Walaikum salam, Shahnilah. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. You are very, very welcome to my show. Literally, I was literally we were talking about this for so long that you're gonna come, and then it happened today.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm glad I came here.
So it's the right time to come.
Yeah, definitely. I can say this is the right time to come to your podcast, and I can represent myself and I can represent my event as well.
So Amina, take us back in 2011. What was what was your thinking? Why did you start, Hawa Couture?
I don't know if you know, I'm a mother of 4. And alhamdulillah, I'm blessed with 4 kids. And back in the days, it was really hard to go working outside. And I used to work as well. I used to work in school, but it was hard to maintain family and then kids. And I've been love fashion all the time. Fashion is my passion, design and all that. So I start designing my own clothes, and I got the idea from when people appreciate my clothes. When I used to go to wedding or any parties, people used to start how did you get this, where did you get that, normal question coming from the people. So that makes me motivate, I'm making from other people, I should I'm giving my design to other people, so it's better I just started my own. So that's how I started. And my husband, alhamdulillah, he always push me to do whatever you want to do, whatever you like. So that's how I just started in 2011. just started from my house, like in online. I just one day I wake up and like, those days Instagram wasn't there.
Yes.
So I started from
Facebook.
Yeah.
Facebook market is still there.
Yeah.
Like it's always there. Yeah.
And it was really good. It was really good. I can say like it was really good and like those days, 2011, 12, there wasn't any like competitions, like there wasn't no like many people's in the business, like, online business and all that. So it was good.
Because most of the people, back in that days, like we order from Pakistan or Bangladesh or India, and like there were not many designers and it was more made to measure things.
Yeah.
So
that's how I started. Yeah. Make to measure, because my clothes are more is like make to measure. And when I started, it's like I just order a few, I give my design or I start making my design. And then I used to do like, pop-up shows. And then like sometimes, like, what's it called? Events, stalls and stuff. Yeah. Just to recognize, like, people should know about me.
Yeah.
And like, alhamdulillah, it was good.
Oh, that's great. So you mentioned your first show was in 2016. So what was the experience, or what did motivate you to just arrange the whole fashion show? It's a big thing. It's not a small thing. Fashion show is the full range, models, and it's a big thing.
Yeah.
So how did you think about it, and how did you manage it?
No, 2016, like, basically, I did few fashion shows back in the days. From 2016 was my first fashion show.
Okay.
And it was like only my showcasing my brand on there. And before that, nobody knows like who's behind the Hawa Couture. Like everybody knows my brand from 2011 to 2016. And that was my like plus point. Like first time I came as Amina Rashid, the stage front of all the audience. And alhamdulillah, it was really good response, and I get like really good audience and really good opportunities afterward. So
that's really good. Like it's a really good inspiration for the people who, who are showcasing their clothes or dresses online, or the stalls that they can go to the fashion shows and then they can showcase their clothes, they can collaborate with the fashion shows.
Definitely.
It's a big thing. And then it look more professional as well.
Yeah, definitely, because you will get all the professional pictures, you will get like, exposure, and mostly you will meet different people. You will get a different experience with different people, and
you get a chance to progress more.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So like I'm sorry I'm asking this question, but in 2022, you lost your father, and it was the huge turning point for you. And you just how you grieve yourself and you come back and you you put together yourself and you come back. How did it happen, and it's very hard.
Well, yeah, it is, because I'm still like, I didn't come back yet from the loss of my father, but because I was like a proper daddy's girl, and if anything happened in my life, like small or big, I always tell my dad, even though dad is in back home and I'm in here, but still like I'm always sharing. And my first day started from my dad's call or message. So you can imagine, like that was like a broken. One morning I wake up and suddenly my dad not here anymore. But yeah, what we can do is always plan. So alhamdulillah, I'm okay now. And the fashion, like I always loved doing. And last 3 years, obviously, I lost my dad. I lost my brother-in-law, who was my cousin, definitely, like because we are married together, like, cousins. So he was my first cousin as well. He was really young. So obviously this was like very much, put me down, like, And then I was like, I have to do something, because it's going to put me down and I'm getting like, loss and like depressions and all that. So from last year, I said to myself, I have to do something. And here you go.
Yes, inshallah. Okay, what is the meaning behind Hawa Couture? Like, what do you think about, like, what was in your mind that you're going to give name to your brand Hawa Couture?
Back in the days when I started, we was thinking, what should I give my brand name? And we couldn't find any name. And I didn't want it to give like my own name or my kid's name or anything like that just to call.
Because many people does.
Yeah. And then I was thinking like with one of my friends, and like she like helped me out, and we both together decided like Hawa. So Hawa is like a new, like, elegance is the meaning of it. And our
Preference, yeah.
yeah, first Hawa mother. So that's how I said like, okay, let's do that. Couture means is like powerful, peaceful, like, so that's how I made the name. And alhamdulillah, it's a different name.
It's a different.
Yeah, everybody accepted the name and the brand. And
yeah, mashallah, you're doing from last many years this.
yeah.
How did you meet Tash? And why did you decide that she gonna be your business partner? Because becoming a partner with someone, it's a very hard. Like if you are running your own brand from so long, and then you think, okay, I need a partner, or I want to be like, I'm gonna listen to someone else as well. It's a hard thing. So how did you decide that?
I know Tash from social media. It's from Instagram. And then I met her, I think, last year at one of the events. And alhamdulillah, it's just a quick connection.
Click.
Oh, yeah, first click. And obviously, she's a very business-minded lady. And because of we are both a British Bengali, and I have experience on catwalks, around fashion shows. She have experience on events, like she done loads of events before. And she have her own brand, Tash Boutique. So when we first discussed, like, it wasn't even a plan. It's just a normal conversation. I said like, okay, I did fashion show a few times. And she's like, oh, I have like, interest on that, and that's it. That's how we just got the click, and we just become one day we just said, let's do it. And alhamdulillah, after one conversation, now you guys are gonna see our first modest fashion world London, and it's happening in 7th of September. You all are more welcome to come and see us.
Yes, inshallah, I will be there as well, inshallah. Okay, now we'll come to the modest fashion show. Definitely, obviously, this is the big thing which is happening in September, and I would like to know more about it. That what I'm going to expect there as an audience.
Definitely, there will be a fashion show.
Yeah,
that's why it's called Modest Fashion World.
And it's going to be modest.
Yeah, it's going to be definitely modest, and our dress code is modest for ladies and even men's, like,
So it's for everyone. It's not for the ladies.
It's for everyone. It's for everyone, anyone, any religion, anything,
any age,
anyone can come and enjoy. And there will be definitely different designers going to be on the ramp. And everyone's, showing their best collection, inshallah.
अच्छा, आप modesty को अपने fashion में कैसे express करती हैं?
To me, modesty is elegance and attention. How you represent yourself.
Yeah.
And how you wear your clothing. It's not like you always need to like show off your bodies or anything. Covering is modesty. Like,
yes.
With cover, you can dress up well. You can show your style. You can show your makeup, fashion, everything. And that represent my brand.
Yeah, because back in days, like even जो हमारे abaya होते हैं, it's just a very simple ones.
Yeah.
And people think like, अच्छा abaya में तो कोई fashion ही नहीं है, And even if we go to the dresses in most of the shops, we got sleeveless, we got half sleeves, we got very cleavage, we got the when
Very low back.
yeah.
Yeah.
So dresses को इस तरह से किया जाता है, लेकिन in our community, obviously, and in Muslims, we definitely in a modest culture and modest fashion, you give definitely a very big turn कि आप पूरे फुल में भी आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग
Yeah,
सकते हो।
definitely. Because
आपके हर तरह से you cover yourself, you can have your hijab, beautiful colors, beautiful designs. So ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ये modesty को एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म दे रही हैं आपका जो शो है।
yes, definitely. Because our main focus is modesty.
Yes.
So all our brands are coming on the board. We're going to focus only on modesty.
Fashion and modesty.
Yes, obviously. Fashion, obviously, is
Definitely.
yeah.
Because उसपे ये नहीं होगा कि people like the girls can bore कि अच्छा रोज यही पहन रही हूँ।
No,
So there's
because there
something
is like
different.
variety. And obviously, like, it's for everyone. It's not only for like middle age or youngsters. It's for everyone.
It's for
And modesty is not for one person. It's for everyone.
It's for everyone.
Yeah.
Whoever wants to
yeah.
cover themselves, whoever wants to wear modest clothes.
Yes.
So it's everyone.
Yes, definitely.
That's really good. Okay, I have a rapid fire for you.
Okay.
A little rapid fire, which it's going to be very rapid.
Okay.
And you have to answer very rapidly. Okay, first word comes in your mind when you hear fashion.
Modest.
Dream celebrity you would love to see wear your design.
Also, Madhuri Dixit.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Definitely. Why not?
Like, she should wear one of my sari.
Abaya or kimono?
I'm more kimono style.
Okay. Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Wow. Black on black or pop off colors?
On black?
Yes.
Yeah, on black pop on colors.
Okay. Favorite modest fashion city? Dubai, Istanbul or London?
Istanbul.
Istanbul. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Go-to fabric, satin, chiffon or georgette or cotton?
For everyday, I will say cotton.
Okay.
And if it's like formal wear or party wear, I will say chiffon and georgette. And satin is nowadays is very much in market. So satin is
Satin give a very luxury look.
yeah.
Yeah. So printed or plain?
I'm more in printed.
You're more in printed. Okay. Day wear or occasional wear?
Occasion.
One modest fashion trend you love right now?
Dash boutique.
Wow. One trend you think is overrated?
Lip filling.
Hijab style in 5 minutes or 15 minutes?
5 minutes.
Otherwise, because I saw many people they do very beautiful hijabs, but take ages and ages to do it.
Yeah, those are like if you're in a wedding, in a big party or something.
Dream runway location?
Dream runway location, Marrakesh.
Oh, wow. One word your brand stands for?
Modesty and elegance.
What helped you to choose the place for the fashion show?
The place we are doing.
Where we are doing the modest London fashion show?
The place is very nice. I'm sure my audience and my guests, everybody will love it. It's an amazing place. And it's not like, I don't want to say it's too much, but I'm 100% sure people will love it.
You want to keep many things to yourself.
Because I don't want to say everything. Like I don't want to disclose everything right now.
Okay.
But I'm for granted, like it's 100%. It will love the place.
So is it going to be only your and Tash designs going to be there, or other people can contribute as well, or they can take a part in your fashion show?
No, like there is other brands on.
There are other brands as well. So if anybody wants to contact you, they can.
Yes.
Because obviously it's a contribution of everyone.
Yes.
So you are the main organizer. Your designs is going to be there, and other people can contribute. Yes. Other people can come and showcase their brands.
Yeah, because me and Tash, our brand's going to be there. Our new collection will be there. And there will be a few other brands.
Okay. If we come back to your brand, so what kind of dresses are there? Like if I want to come to you, or if I'm looking for the particular, like just shalwar suit, So do you do shalwar suits?
Yeah, I do salwar suit, but I don't do casual wear. I started from formal wears and party wears. From party wears to bridal, I do everything. And my most outfits are make to measure. And these are mostly like 1 pieces, 2 pieces.
Okay.
So, and it's take like few weeks to come.
So is it more like occasion wear? Like if somebody want, like it's more for the South Asian community?
I have like some, like not like a proper casual, but semi-formals.
Okay.
So for your events, like if you're going to attend any social media events, so you can get like a normal, simple, but elegant outfits.
And do you do abayas as well?
No, I don't do. I make like sometimes like I design my own few abayas and long gowns for myself, and if anybody likes it and they want it, so I do.
Then you do it. And what about Tash Boutique? What do they make?
Tash make everything on make to order, and all are like bespoke pieces. Like she does abayas, open abayas, and cords.
Okay, so she does that, and it's formal and semi-formal.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I want to go some like very elegant party, so I can.
Yes, you can. It's called Tash.
Definitely. So your one is more occasion.
My one is more
occasion wear, party wear, and her is more formal and semi-formal.
Yes. Yeah.
So I got it. So if we ask like about your models, who's gonna be your models on the ramp?
That's a very tricky question. And I don't think so I'm going to answer that. So there will be lots of surprises of the models as well.
Wow.
I'm sure you guys don't see my models before. But yeah, all the models for like, it's for all communities basically. So it'll be nice to see.
And are there going to be any, like stalls or anything like that, or is just like a fashion show or fashion ramp?
No, there is a fashion show, there is a stalls, there's a small exhibition.
Okay.
So once you're here, you will see the fashion show, you will see, exhibition.
Okay, so it's going to be exhibition as well. And what is the capacity of the guests there? Like how many people can attend?
It's more than 200.
More than 200. So inshallah, it's a big one. It's a big one. So our all best wishes are with you, and definitely. And I'm happy to say that I'm also a brand ambassador for this show, and I'm also looking forward what's going to happen there, because we don't have any information. We just got the advertising things, and definitely it's going to be so much surprises over there. Do you want to add anything, Amina?
I just want to say, come join us on 7th of September in Hyde Park, 2:30 to 7 p.m. And I can guarantee you're not going to be disappointed that day. You can book your ticket now. All the links are on our Instagram, all the social media, Instagram, Facebook, Snap, and all my ambassadors are doing really hard work. They're promoting us, all the influencers, they're promoting us. And inshallah, I'm looking forward to see each and everyone on the day.
तो हमारी तरफ से बहुत सारी बेस्ट विशेस हैं कुछ मज़ेदार सी बातों के प्लेटफॉर्म से लोग आपके इवेंट के बारे में जानें और अपनी टिकट्स भी बाय करें, और जो लोग मॉडेस्टी को फॉलो करते हैं और बहुत ही खूबसूरत से और फैशन कपड़े देखना चाहते हैं और लेना चाहते हैं, ख़रीदना चाहते हैं, और मॉडल्स को पहने हुए रैम्प पे वॉक करते हुए देखना चाहते हैं, तो वो इस इवेंट को ज़रूर अटेंड करें. All the links of the tickets on the social media of Hawa Couture, of Tash Boutique, and Modest Fashion Wave London. So these are 3 pages, and even all over actually social media पे जितने भी brand ambassadors हैं, आप उनके pages पे जाके भी देख सकते हैं, और आहिस्ता brand ambassadors भी reveal हो रहे हैं. Every week मुझे लगता है कि एक नया धमाका होता है और एक brand ambassador पता लगता है, और कुछ मॉडल्स जो कि वॉक कर रही हैं उनका भी आहिस्ता मुझे लगता है पता चलेगा. तो इंशाल्लाह आना मत भूलिएगा, अपनी टिकट बाय करना मत भूलिएगा, और अमीना को और टैश को فالو کرنا مت بھولیے گا. تو اسی کے ساتھ میں تھینک یو کروں گی بہت بہت امینا آپ کا. اور ٹیش جو آنا چاہ رہی تھی لیکن کسی مصروفیت کی وجہ سے وہ نہیں آ سکیں بیکاز شی لیو ویری فار. شی لیو ان برسٹل. شی سپوز ٹو کم فرام دیئر but with few reasons she couldn't come today. She couldn't join us. But ہماری all the best wishes آپ لوگوں کے ساتھ ہیں. اور
Thank you so much.
اور اسی طرح آپ لوگ ترقی کرتے رہیں. تو انشاءاللہ دوبارہ سے اسی طرح کسی اور نئے مہمان کے ساتھ ہم لوگ آئیں گے. ابھی تک کے لیے اللہ حافظ.